In this video, you'll learn how to build a daily planner in Notion. By following this guide, you will create a structured tool to help manage your daily tasks effectively. Begin by navigating to Notion and signing in to your account. Once you are logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here you will see an option to create a new page, which is typically represented by a plus sign or the label New Page. Click on this to initiate the creation of your planner. After clicking New Page, a blank page will appear, prompting you to enter a title. Name this page as Daily Planner or a title of your choice that reflects its purpose. You can also choose between a list or timeline layout based on your preference. Selecting the right layout is essential as it sets the foundation for how you will organize your tasks. Next, it is time to add time blocks and tasks to your planner. Start by creating sections labeled morning, afternoon, and evening. You can do this by simply typing the section names and pressing enter to create a new line. Under each section, list the tasks you need to accomplish. It is important to assign priorities to important tasks, which can be done by marking them with symbols or colors. Keep the task description simple and actionable to ensure clarity. To maintain a manageable schedule, avoid overloading a single day with too many tasks. This organization will help you stay focused and productive throughout the day. After setting up your tasks, take a moment to review your planner to ensure it reflects your intended schedule. Once your daily planner is set up, it's crucial to review and update it daily. At the start of each day, open your planner to assess your tasks. Update any tasks based on changing priorities, and make sure to mark completed tasks clearly, which can be done by striking through or changing their color. For any unfinished tasks, move them forward to the next day's planner to maintain continuity. Consistency in this step will keep your planning effective over time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.